Hello, everybody. My name is Dr. Mario Sacasa. I'm a licensed marriage and family therapist here in New Orleans, Louisiana, and I host the Always Hope podcast, which is a production of the Willwoods community Faith and Marriage Apostolate. And I'm truly honored to be part of the Hearts and Mind initiative at the University of Holy Cross, taking place on July 31st. Thank you to Todd Amick and his committee and all the great work that they are doing to put this day together. And what I will be discussing is the virtue of hope, which I believe is often misunderstood. We talk about hope in this casual sense, but what is hope and why do we need it in our hearts and in our minds? And why is hope necessary to lead us, to guide us, to be able to overcome the issues that we will be talking about, whether it's racism or poverty or other social inequalities, social iniquities. We need hope to lead and to guide us, and that is what we will be talking about. That's what I'll be talking about, excuse me. So I'm grateful to be part of this amazing panel, this amazing day, and I look forward to seeing you on July 31st. God bless everybody.